One of the biggest things that I've done to change not only the things I accomplish in my business, but also in my life has been Power Sheets. So if you follow me here on this channel, you'll know every single month I've been giving you Power Sheets updates. Well, 2019's Power Sheets are here, and I want to walk you through them so you can get an idea if maybe these are for you or not. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get your hands on a free Power Sheets. Hi, my name is Trina and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click subscribe because I'm helping online entrepreneurs just like you get on YouTube to grow your business. One of the ways that I have found to really help me grow my business, not only being on YouTube, but was actually setting intentional goals and following through. Before I found Power Sheets, I didn't really set any goals and I didn't really understand the importance of setting goals. So I bought my 2019 Power Sheets, which are on sale now, and this is the third year that I'm going to be doing these, and I want to show you what they look like on the inside and also if these are for you or not. And like I said, stick around because not only am I going to tell you how to win a Power Sheets, but also a simplified planner. So I'm giving away both of these to one lucky viewer. So I'm going to go ahead and flip my screen around so I can actually walk you through these Power Sheets so you can see how I set them up and how I use them intentionally to see if it was going to work for you or not. Okay, so for the Power Sheets this year, I actually decided to buy their pens, I got a sticker book, and I got the multicolored cover. They had 4 different covers this time, but I decided to go with the multicolored. So let me just show you real quick these pens. I've already opened them. They are supposed to not bleed through the planner, so I decided to get these just to change it up, something new this year. Another thing new I decided to do this year was the sticker book. I'm not a sticker person, but I thought maybe we'll make a change this time around and see. I really like these. I'm enjoying being able to color code things more and more as more things get on my plate. So this just gives you a lot of different opportunities. The color code, then there's just some cute things. Honestly, I don't have time to do a lot of planner decorating, but I thought some cute things like this might just allow me to have a little more fun during me time and just organize things. So we'll see how these goes. If you want to follow my Power Sheets progress, make sure you follow my new channel, my mom channel. I'll link it down below. That's where I'm going to be keeping all my Power Sheets progress up there and also on my new Instagram account. So now let's just go ahead and jump into the Power Sheets planner so you can see what it looks like and how I use it. Just some motivation to let's do this. When you open it up, you do get some stickers free in the planner as well. And you also have this little card to write your word of the year. I personally have a hard time always coming up with a word of the year, so I don't always do this, but they're very big on word of the year, so you can write yours down and stick it up on your desk. So after the stickers, then you have this getting to know me page. So the way I do this is I set a day aside the last week of the year in December. After Christmas and before New Year's, I like to sit down and go through these and really just spend some time to think about me and where I want to take not only my business, but my personal life as well for you to go through this. And it gives you a lot of great prompts that you probably would never think about before. I know last year when I did this, it really got me thinking and analyzing where did I see myself going in 2018 compared to any other year that I actually planned. So these are some of the first pages that you get through. You know, we're a multifaceted people. It allows you to really think through all these different aspects in your life. So health and friends, finance, spiritual, personal growth, spouse, family, work, and recreation. So every quarter there's one of these for you to check in. Like I said, I absolutely love doing this and it allows me to reevaluate what I need to focus on that particular quarter. From here, it's actually going to start making you address your fears and get down to the nitty gritty and make you realize what you're really afraid of and what's holding you back. Like I said, this is why it's great just to sit down one day at the end of the year, grab some hot chocolate, get a candle going, get some good music going, and just go through these for some me time to really figure out what's in store for you in 2019. As you go through there's a bunch of different prompts to go through, again, just to really help you start thinking. Here's where you choose the word. She goes through all these little exercises to help you choose the word. Like I said, it's hard for me to come up with a word of the year. I have not yet, but it's also only November. And then here's what I absolutely love is getting into the goals part. You'll see these are all broken down by little tabs. You can see there's also monthly tabs as well. Here's January, February. These are a glossy too with the gold is kind of embroidered in. I love that. That's new this year. This is where I've seen the biggest change in my life is setting these goals and the way she makes you work through and prompts you through these. And so you can probably have so many different goals and you're not sure where to get started. This is brand new this year. The way she did this is thinking through the threads. All of these goals you have, is there a common thread? How can you pull them together into one particular goal? So you can start pulling them together to think what goals ultimately resent in that big picture. I cannot wait to dig into this. Let me tell you, I am itching to get into this. I love this too. She gives you an actual worksheet on how to set up these action plans, how to make these goals that you want to set this year become reality. I tell you, there is no other way of setting goals that I have found better than this. And here's the game changer, the action plan, okay? Here's your big picture goal. Here's your why. This is so important because if you don't have a why behind your goal, there's no reason you're going to reach it because there's no passion behind it. And then this is what I've always missed, the little steps to take to get to there. Once you start going through here and you start realizing how to break up this big goal into smaller steps, that's when you start seeing results. That's when you start hitting your goals. You see, you can go through here. I think there's up to 10 goals that you can put. Last year I did, I believe, I just did 8 goals last year. So you have up to 10 goals. You can do 10, you can do less, and then you can write them all out here once you finalize them and you know what you're going after so that you're prepared for the new year. And then you can, this is new too, your yearly review. So you can start thinking about all the steps you need to take in each month and just do like big picture steps right here. So you can come back to this page and think, okay, it's February. What did I need to do that I set forward back at the beginning of the year to get me to where I want to go at the end of the year? I am loving this. I can't wait to dig into this and show you guys this when I'm done with this because I think this is a great addition to the Power Sheets. And then once you get into the new year, this is basically your monthly review, what's stressing you out, fears. It just allows you to kind of regroup with yourself and think, where are you at? Where do you need to be? And then you go into really writing down what's on your calendar, your important to-dos, to think about what's going on in your schedule this month and how's it going to affect your tasks that get to your goals. Again, absolutely important to make sure you're hitting your goals. And then you have this tending list. I actually tear this out. You can see it has a little seared edge right here that you can tear out. I tape it beside my desk so that I can check off these daily habits. I'll tell you right now, daily action items are really hard for me to come up with in general, but definitely these are easy because I know, and I think it's going to make it easier with the yearly spread back here to help you determine what are your monthly action items to hit those goals. And then at the end of the month, it allows you to give this space to reflect and actually give gratitude because that's so important to give the gratitude. I also like these blank sheets. I've done this before. It's just a brainstorm and write down steps that I needed to take for a particular project I had to get done. So don't worry about like messing these pages up. You can write on these, scribble on these, use these as a brain stream. I do it all the time. And then each quarter, there's a little quarterly check-in for you. So this one is the spring, where you can clear the clutter checklist, go through what's really cluttering your mind. Back to here where you check these different aspects of your life. Rewrite your goals. This is something I really want to do this year, is constantly writing my goals so I know what I'm going after in 2019. So I'm constantly reminded. I've heard that successful people write their goals down every single morning. So I'm thinking about using that idea in 2019. I haven't decided yet. If you want to grab yours, I have a link down in the description box. You can absolutely click on it, grab these if they're still available, grab the stickers if you want to, and the markers. I think these are great as well. Okay, so here's the big news. Here's how you can win both Power Sheets and Emily Lay's Simplified Planner. I am launching a new mom channel, and the way you can win these 2 awesome prizes is go over to my mom channel. I will have it linked down below and in a card, and all you have to do is subscribe. By subscribing, you get 3 entries. By watching my brand new video over there, you get another 3 entries, and by following my new mom Instagram, you get another 3 entries. So that's a total of 9 entries you can get just by heading on over there. The winner will be drawn on December 14th so that I can make sure I can get these out to you so you can start using them in the new year. Now, I hope I see you over on my mom channel, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!